Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Johnson. In this video, we will work out the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1, that is non-calculator, and it is the core paper for examination from 2025. And if you are in grade 8 or year 9, you should be able to work out almost 70 to 80% of the questions given over here. And if you are in grade 9 or year 10, you should be able to work out almost 85 to 95% of the questions given in this specimen paper. Okay, so let us start. Remember, it is a non-calculator paper. Question number 1. Kim takes part in a race that covers a total distance of 20,000 meters. She cycles 17,875 meters and runs the remaining distance. Work out the distance Kim runs. So you need to subtract 20,000 minus 17,875. From 20,000, if you subtract 17,000, you have 3,000. And then from 3,000, if you subtract 800, you have 2,200. And then from there, if you subtract 75, you have 2,125. Part B says, write the number 17,875 in words. 17,075. All right. Part C, write the number 17,875 correct to the nearest hundred. This digit 8 is the hundreds value. We look at the following digit, that is 7, so you need to add 1 over here, and that will give you 17,900. Question number 2. The diagram shows the net of a solid. What is the mathematical name of the solid? Square-based pyramid. Part B, for this solid, write down the number of vertices. Vertices are the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you join the top, the apex, that's going to give you the fifth vertex, and it has 5 vertices. Question number 3. The number n is both a multiple of 12 and a square number. Find the smallest possible value of n. Now let's write down the multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Now 12 is a multiple of 12, but it is not a square number. So if you look at 36, 36 is both a multiple of 12 and a square number. Question number 4. A coin is made from a mixture of tin, copper, and zinc. The table shows the percentage of each metal used. Work out the value of K. This is what we need to work out. So percentage is always out of 100. So 100% minus 96.5% minus 0.4%. That will give us 100% minus 96.5 plus 0.4 is 96.9%. And if you can't subtract mentally, you can work out this way: 100 minus 96.9, add a decimal point and a 0, and then all those things you can work out, but most of you should be able to do it in your head. That's 3.1%. Let us look at question number 5. Here are 4 number cards. Using each card once, write down one number between 3020 and 3200. We just need to write one number, but let us try and see all the possible answers. Okay, so I can write 3051, that is one possible answer. The other answer could be 3105, and one more, you have one more possible answer, that is 3150. So you could write any one of these. Let me write the first one, that is 3051. Question number 6. Write the ratio 90 to 120 in its simplest form. So 90 to 120, cancel the zeros and divide by 3, divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Question number 7. The diagram shows a shape with 5 shaded sections. Shade one more section on the diagram so that it has a rotational symmetry of order 3. When you rotate this shape through 360 degrees, it should exactly look the same as it is now 3 times. Okay, so here we have, if you shade this part, okay, clearly you need to shade, and that's your answer. Question number 8. The scale drawing shows the position of a rock R. Here we have, that's R. The scale is 1 centimeter represents 30 meters, which is given at the bottom over here. A lighthouse L is 210 meters from R on a bearing of 125 degrees. On the scale drawing, mark the position of L. So first let's find the distance from R to L. In real life it is 210 meters. Let us divide by the scale factor, which is 30. So 210 divided by 30 will give you 7 centimeters. Okay, the bearing of L from R is 125 degrees. Measure 125 degrees. So here I have 125 degrees. Now let's take the ruler. So let's draw a line that is 7 centimeters long. The angle is measured from north in a clockwise direction. This is 125 degrees, and this is L over here. Question number 9. A cake has a mass of 600 grams. Joe eats 1/5 of the cake. Find the mass of the cake that is left. So if 1/5 is eaten, 1 minus 1/5 will give you 4/5. So all you need to do is calculate 4/5 of 600 and then simplify. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 12, and then 0, so 120. Now 4 times 120 will give you 480. Alternatively, you can calculate 1/5 of 600 and then subtract from 600. So let's say 5 ones are 5, 120, and then 600 minus 120 will give you 480. Lines AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. EF and EG are straight lines. EF and EG are straight lines. Question A. Find the value of A. Give a geometrical reason for your answer. So angles in parallel lines. When AB and CD are parallel, the alternate angles are equal. So A is 46 degrees and the reason is alternate angles are equal. Okay. Question B. Find the value of B. Give a geometrical reason for your answer. Let's go to B. B is right over here. A we have found just now. That's 46 degrees. So if this is 46 degrees and they have given the information in the question, EG is a straight line. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 46 will give you the value of B. 134 degrees. So B is 134 degrees because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Question C. Find the value of C, give geometrical reason. Let's go to C. C is right over here. Here you can see a triangle. Okay, so angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So 60 and 46 are the two other angles. So 180 minus 60 minus 46 will give you 180 minus 106, and that will give us 74 degrees. So C equal to 74 degrees because angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Alright, thank you very much. The rest of the questions will be in the next videos. Thank you.